Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Counter-Strike 2 or CS2 black screen problem. Or when you click on play button, it gets stuck on black screen on launch. Or simply, if your game is getting stuck on black screen, then here follow the fixes. The first fix to modify the game launch option, you can try -windowed space -w space 1920 space -h space 1080. So here how to do it. Open Steam, go to library, right click on Counter Strike 2 and then select properties. Now in the launch options, copy this code. I will provide this code in my video description so you can easily copy it and then paste it over here and then close the tab and then you can launch the game and check. This fix has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. If it doesn't work, then right click on it and then again go to properties, remove the launch options and follow the second fix mentioned in this video. Second fix is to run the Windows memory diagnostic to fix the problem. So press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the run box and in the run box type mdsched mdsched and then click on OK and then click on restart now and check for problems, and if it finds any problem then you can go ahead, repair the problem and then you can launch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. So I hope by following these two fixes you can easily solve CS2 black screen on launch or stuck on black screen problem on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.